I'm Sai. I'm here to teach you how to solve a 4x4 Rubik's Cube.
First, let me explain the moves and the pieces name. This are called the center pieces. These two are called the edge pieces. And this are called the corner pieces. Now let me explain the moves. R inverse. L inverse. Up inverse. Down inverse. Front inverse. And now back inverse. Now small r inverse. Small L inverse. Now we should look for the white color center pieces. Here is one. Now we should turn the up once and move it up, remove from its way, undo the set of moves and solve. Now we should turn the cube upside down and look for the yellow color center pieces. Here two of them are. Now we should turn the front face once, move it up, remove from its way, undo the set of moves. Now there are an L-like shape. Now we should look for another yellow color centerpiece. Here is one. So we should turn the up face once, move it up, remove from its way, undo the set of moves. Now we should look for blue color centerpieces. Here two of them. So we should keep that as the top and move it up, remove from its way, undo the set of moves. Now the last blue center is here. So move it up, remove from its way, undo. Now 1, 2, 3 of them are solved. Normally in a 3x3, we should need not to form the centers, but in a 4x4 we should form the centers. Exactly opposite to the yellow there will be white. Exactly opposite to the green there will be blue. Exactly opposite to the orange there will be red. So we should form the red center here. Here there are two pieces diagonal to each other, and here is a red centerpiece. So move it up, remove from its way, undo. And now 3 pieces are solved. And in this situation you should need to do a double layer turn. So turn, remove from its way, undo the set of moves. Now the last two centers are the green and orange. Here orange should come. So we should move it up, remove from its way, undo. And now there is a single orange piece. So move it up, remove from its way, undo the set of moves. Now all the centers are solved. Now you should look for the edge pieces. Here is one, here is one. So the color is same, the edge piece is also same. So do this algorithm to solve the edge pieces. Down inverse, right, front inverse, up, right inverse, front, down, and solved. So the next piece is red and red. Thus, okay, we need not to do that because here is one already done for us. So do the algorithm. D inverse, right, up inverse, right inverse, front, D, and solved. If you have a situation like this, red, green, green, you should turn the up face once and again, and turn the right inverse and do the right twice to keep it in front, and do the algorithm to solve it. D, right inverse, front, up, right inverse, front, D prime, and solve. Now you should do it till the last two edges are solved. Now you may have a doubt. By using only one algorithm, we can solve two edges. Yes, we can solve the last two edges. So do the algorithm. D inverse, right, front inverse, up, right inverse, front, D, and solve all of the edges. Step 3. Solving the white cross. Now we should look for the paired up edges and attach it to its center and face here like this. The next edge piece is the blue and white. So move it here, turn the front face once and solve. The last edge is orange and white. So move it. Now we should turn the piece. So we should turn the front face once, up, right, up inverse, and solve the white cross. Step 4. Solving the white side. Now you should look for corner pieces and place it in its correct place. Now here is one. Blue, red and white. It is in its correct place. Red is here, blue is here. This white needs to face here using these four moves. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Repeat these four moves till this white faces here. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. 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 And this piece is solved. The next piece is the red, green and white. Now we should place the piece in its correct spot. Green is here, red is here. This white needs to face here using the same four moves. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. 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 Now it is solved. The next piece is the orange, green and white. It is already in its correct spot. So do the same four moves. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. 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 And solve. The last corner piece is the orange, blue and white. This white needs to face here using the same four moves. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Now the whole white side is solved. Now we should solve the second and third layer. Now we should look for a paired up middle piece that is not contact in with yellow. Here is one. This piece needs to go to the right. So move it to the left and do the right hand algorithm. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. And turn the cube to the red side and do these four moves. These four moves are called the left hand algorithm. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. And solved. The next piece is the orange and blue. Now you have a stuck piece like this. You should take it using the same four moves. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. Now match it with its center. Now this piece needs to go to the left. So move it to the right and do the left hand algorithm. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. And turn the cube to the orange side and do the right hand algorithm. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. The last edge piece is the green and red. This piece needs to go here to the left. So move it to the right and do the left hand algorithm first. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. And turn the cube to the red side and do right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Step 6. Solving the yellow cross. Now normally in a 3x3 you may end up with the situation with a dot or an inverted L or an horizontal line or the full cross is solved. But in a 4x4 you may end up with two new situations. Either this piece is only solved or three pieces are solved. For this you need to do an algorithm. The algorithm goes like this. Small r twice, back twice, up twice, small l prime, up twice, small r prime, up twice, small r, up twice, front twice, small r, front twice, small l, back twice, and small r twice. Now the cross is solved. Step 7. Orienting all the corners. Now we should look for all the corners. This piece needs to come here, this piece needs to go here. So we should do an algorithm. Do the right hand algorithm thrice. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. And turn the cube to the orange side and do the left hand algorithm thrice. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. Left, up, left inverse. Now these pieces are in its correct place. Now do the same to swap these pieces. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Turn the cube to the right side and do the left hand algorithm thrice. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse. Now all the corners are in its place. Step 8. Solving the yellow side. Now you should turn the cube upside down and do the right hand algorithm till this yellow faces here. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. 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 Now this piece is solved. So turn the bottom layer and replace it with an unsolved edge. Do the same. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. 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 Now this piece is also solved. So turn the bottom layer again and do the same move. 4 moves. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Now 3 pieces are solved. So again turn the bottom layer and do the same 4 moves. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Right, up, right inverse, up inverse. Now all the pieces are solved. Step 9. Solving all the edges. Now in this situation you should do the 4 moves to solve. Left, up, left inverse, up inverse, left inverse, up inverse, left, up, left inverse, up inverse, left twice. Now in this situation the 2 opposite sides are solved. The 2 opposite edges need to be swapped. So do this algorithm. Right, small r twice, up twice, small r twice, double layer up twice, small r twice, double layer up twice, and solved the whole cube. Now the last situation for solving the whole cube. This piece needs to come here, this piece needs to go here, this piece needs to come here. So do this move. Right, up, right, up inverse, right, up inverse, right, up, right inverse, up, right inverse twice. And we solved the whole cube. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share and subscribe. Thanks.